Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you today very briefly about how to write your abstract. Um, Basically, an abstract is a short summary of your research or engineering project. We really want to highlight what you investigated and why, what you found, what that means, and also potentially what you would do next time in brief. An abstract is a maximum of 250 words. It's often written in the first person, so you can say I, me, my, we, or the third person, right? Where you would say, researchers did this, one would do this. And you should write it as if you are writing to other scientists in your fields. 250 words can feel like a very short paragraph to convey, the last 8 months of work. But it works out to be about 10 sentences, and we have a handy formula. Now, write however you feel appropriate, but we have a handy formula for helping you get to 250 words and still cover everything you need to cover. We suggest 2 sentences that introduce the problem. Consider this your topic or purpose. 2 sentences about your question and hypothesis or about your engineering goal. 2 sentences about what you did. That's your methods section. 2 sentences about the results and what you found. And then finally, 2 sentences about your conclusions and what it all means. Here in the next couple of slides, I provided a couple of examples that I suggest that you read. They are very different projects. We have some that are about science test scores, and we have a second one that is all about a recessive genetic disorder. Read these, get an idea of how they phrased their abstract, and then see if you can write something for yourself. Here's some helpful tips. Use complete sentences, of course. Have someone else read your abstract before you turn it in. That way you catch any spelling and grammar mistakes or check for comprehension as well. Avoid using acronyms or jargon, which is basically super technical lingo that people outside the field wouldn't understand. This is only words. You don't have any room here to include graphs or figures. And then when possible, use the active voice, not the passive voice. I have a handy video about how to post your abstract that I've attached to this assignment in the Google Classroom if you'd like additional help there. But as a warning, when you go to post your abstract to the NWSD website, which everyone must do, you have to copy. I suggest that you probably write it in another format, like a Word doc or a Google Doc, and then you copy and paste that into the NWSD website. Pay very close attention. All of your special characters, like apostrophes, semicolons, percentage signs, those will not copy over appropriately. It will look like they copied over, but they didn't. So you need to go back through and type back over all of those characters. It looks like they went through, but they really didn't. So again, here's a video on how to post your abstract, and here are written instructions on how to post your abstract. I won't read through these because they're available for you guys to follow along with. If you have any questions, please reach out to your ISEF coordinator. Thank you.